are in the heart of Astoria today. Come on in. Let's take a look at this 2-bedroom apartment that has just recently been built. Look at these beautiful hardwood floors. You'll notice the difference in the paint on the moldings. And take a look at that central air, central heat unit throughout. Let's go take a look at this kitchen. This is amazing. Stainless steel. A lot of beautiful white cabinet space. Granite countertop preparation space. And a very large living room area with a floor-to-ceiling window. This living room can easily fit a large sectional sofa, entertainment center, coffee table, accent chair, and more. This first bedroom, easily fit a queen. Again, great windows. Some really nice touches in this closet as well, with the shelf built in. You have 2 levels there. Second bedroom, again, easily fit a queen, perhaps a king. Again, nice windows and a beautiful double wide floor to ceiling walk-in closet. Come on down. This brand new building, we'd love to show it to you. If you'd like to live in Astoria, this would be a great place to live. Come on down, take a look, and thank you for watching.